Hi, it's just a real quick video for you folks that may have this Ryobi Expand It attachments and stuff like that. Went to do a little bit of tilling to till up some loose dirt here in my garden, and this is what I noticed. See that right there? Yep, that is a crack. It's a weak point. Right here. See? That's a weak point. Same thing over here on this side. It's right where these two pieces come together. I'm gonna try and weld mine. I've got a small portable welder and I'm gonna try and weld it, but that's something everybody needs to know about. If anybody else has had this issue, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you did. I don't have any warranty on this thing anymore or anything like that, so you know, it's either junk basically, or see if I can weld it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see if I can weld around through here on both sides, and then I'm probably gonna put a piece of metal on there to strengthen that area up, maybe bring it back up. I can't go too far down because that's where it all connects right here, but I can at least get it over that and around the sides and bring it back up this way a little bit to strengthen that up some. But just thought everybody needed to know that. If you have this system or these components, parts, pieces, whatever, something you need to take into consideration. Cracked all the way around on both sides. So basically, if I can't fix that, if I can't weld it, I guess the only thing I can do is just go and get a new head. I guess the only thing I can do is just replace the whole thing. But anyway, like I said, I just wanted you guys to, and gals, to see the problem that I ran into and keep an eye on that. I'm gonna assume that it happened because of me using the tiller. You know, that's the only thing I can assume, and it's probably user error as much as it is just that's a weak point. So if anybody at Ryobi is watching this or interested, you might want to take that in consideration and strengthen that up right there in that area with a little stronger steel. You know, probably not anybody from there watching, but anyway, y'all have a good one. I got stuff to do. Chickens are all hiding up under the roost, or the roost coop. So anyway, y'all be cool. Have a good day. Get some stuff done around the house. I spent all day yesterday raking leaves. That time of the year. Y'all have a good one. This Price. Peace. I'm out.